Tornado warning for Denton County. Well, isn't that great? I wish luck to the people in Denton County. Right before this alert, I think they said that the twister was a little weak, so it may not turn into a tornado because right now it's in a twister phase. Well, it's just a funnel cloud, just a small funnel cloud right now, but it has a very low chance of becoming a tornado. So, Pilot point around 8:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 469 and 479. Take cover now.
No se la chancla, volador.
Floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Well, I guess we just gotta wait for more updates.